I personally believe that a bridge has to come.
There,
Now, which side should the bridge come? To your property, to his property, or to my property? This is the issue. As far as I heard whatever was said yesterday, first thing I would like to clarify, it was said that 4 lakh square meters are going to be required. My information, it is 1.2 lakh square meters that are going to be required. It is 12 hectares, not more than that. Second is what, as far as the bridge is concerned, the bridge, whichever side you take, it is going to go through some Kazan land. Whichever side you take. They may be harping about one particular side, but I am telling you, I have sat with the engineers, I have studied the thing. I have to admit I am not an engineer, so I definitely depend on a lot of the details given by them. But the fact remains, whichever alignment one tries to take, we have discussed. They had some other suggestions. I've asked the engineers to visit the site. They are supposed to be going today. They will conduct their study and they'll get back. But ultimately, it is a technical decision which has to be taken by engineers.
sir,
As far as land acquisition is concerned, the government will be acquiring land. The government proposes to acquire sufficient land to ensure that the road to construct that bridge, people are not confused. People are being misinformed.
by whom?
By vested interest. It's like yesterday, your channel has brought 4 lakh square meter.
Agreed.
No. So I am telling you, it is not 4, it is 1.2. So I believe that they should sit, they should study the proposal, and then go forward and tell the people what is what.
आमकाय आता नाका आमगे स्वताचे तुमले नाका.
नव्या बोरी पुलाक विरोध करपी लोटलेच्या लोकांची गाराणी आयकपा खातीर भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याचे अधिकारी मंगळारा लोटले गेल्ले. ह्या लोकांनी अधिकाऱ्याचे आयकून घेतले ना. खंयच्याय परिस्थितीत खाजन शेतांतल्यान आमकां पूल नाका हे आपल्या भुमिकेचेर लोटलेचे लोक ठाम आसात.
आणि निश्चित सांगपाचें हांवें मोठे बड नाचता देखून हे शेताचे धांवन जाता म्हणटकच आमकां हे आतां नाका आमगे शेताचे तुमले नाकाय आनी आमचे पडाचे पांयचे नाकाय आमगे भुरगीं बाळां पडायचे आमगे शेत रोयना एश कोन्न खुदय शेत रोयन आमगे भुरग्यां पयसले आनी आज देखून आमच्या भुरग्यां पयसताय हे शेत रोयन आनी तुमने आतां हे आमगे शेत पे देखून ब्रिज बांदूं पडटाय रस्तो करूं जाय तें कितें जावपाक आमगे फुडल्यांनी हो जाग सामान दवरलो आहा आनी तशें आतां आमी सांबाळटाय आमगे भुरगेय सांबाळटाले आनी आनी कितें सांगोचें तुमकां.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर विनायक सामंत.